Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the Batmobile. Yes, as you can see here, 65, 66, 67 are at the ready to start this beautiful build, to go on with this beautiful build, I should say. And let's get straight into this and start this beautiful build by starting with the belly cam. There we go. 65. Beautiful magazine. And we're going on with one of the wings. We're putting on another wing, the one that we're missing right there. That's the last one we put on. And then we're going on with that. So let's get straight into this and put that there and get 65 out. We'll be working right here. We put them behind it and these 4 parts. And this is what we put on. We put it on right there. And I think we taped it to keep it in and not let it fall out all the time. So we turn it around, we put that back, and let's see what we do. I did that. So we're gonna put that wing on with a WP screw from the outside in. So right there, and when we're gonna put that screw in from that side. I have to turn it, otherwise I can't see it. Let's see if that is in the right position. I don't know if there's a certain way. Well, I put it in upside down, so that explains more than a lot. That was not too smart, was it? So if you put that in, put that rounded side, as you can see right there, in first. Yeah, with that little edge that is there, can you see that? On the outside. That is what the magazine shows, so that should be the right position. And then we have that up there, and then we can put that screw on. If we can find it. Right there it is. No, it has to be movable, not that tight. There we go. That is on. Which one is that? Actuator 3. 2 AP screws from underneath. Right there and there. Yeah, I only got one hand because I need to keep the other one there so I can keep the part in. Carefully put it down. So we turn it around and get the number 2 out. Actuator number 2, yes. Still we need one hand. We should have had an extra hand here. Now kick that one out as well. This is impossible. I can't even put it that way. Well, again, that one is not fitting, so I put an elastic band because that worked for the last time. So I'm going to do it again and keep that there in this stage, number 65, I think. Yep. So let's put that aside and see what we do in the next one. But that is what we have at the moment. There we go. Let's put that aside for a moment because we want to see what we have. That is what we have. Let's see what we do with those. We have 1, 2, and a left and right. That's right, that's right. Left, sorry. That's right, and then that must be left. The magazine. All right, the magazine 66, as you can see here, the tumbler. Mostly about the comics. And there we go. Support frames and connectors. And that is what we are going to do. We're going on here. Let's get that out. I'm going to hold it because I don't want to put it down on that. And then we've got 3 CMs, 1, 2, 3 to put on. And the last one in this part is in the middle right there. And that is what we have. That whole system is in there. Then we get that one out. We put it on like so. Can you see that properly? And we screw it in from this side with an UP screw and on the other side a GP screw. So let's start with the UP. Carefully put that down, guys. Let's use a different screwdriver. The one is through, and then a GP on the other one, on this side as well. I need a little bit more light on that side, so there we go. And now if they move, they both move, isn't it? Well, as you can see, it's all in there. And we're doing the same thing on the other side, of course. There we go. One of the exhausts came out. All right, and that's on as well. So the actuators, I think they call it actuators, isn't it? No, these little winglets. Let's see what they call it. It's for the wings, isn't it? Oh, right connectors and the connector support, as you can see right there. Neatly, because all the lights are in the right position. And that is stage 66 done as well. As you can see right there, the icon, or at least to say the new icon. And then we're going to the right center console and several of its components. There's a lot of little things happening, as you can see there, and in the next pack we'll be going on with that. Now let's see, I have all the parts. I have that. I have that. Two of those black ones. Screws I have. And then I have that one, and yeah, I've got everything. All right, let's start on this. Is there a longer and a shorter side? I think there is, huh? And we're getting that one out, so we have that there. That's in there, and then we put a DP on the other side, and that's plastic, so no need for oil. No, it's not going any further. So there we have that. Then we're getting those two together, and we're turning it around. I'm going to put that one onto that one, so that we have that, and then that one goes on top of that one, so that we get that. Then we get the little red thing, and we put that right there. Then we put that one over, like so. We take that one out and put that over it. Then we take that one out and put so we put that little gear wheel right there. Then we get a DP out and put that on top of it. That still moves. And then we have that still left, and we are going to put that there and put another of those hard to put on screws on, and that is what we have. Let's put that away. Let's put that away. That was a pretty quick stage, as you can see right there. It's 31 minutes at the moment, so these are the parts we put together, and we're going on, but not now. In the next video, I hope you will join me then. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and hope to see you then. Thank you very much for watching this one. Bye bye.